Hello, I am Pema Sherpa. I am here on behalf of Dewark Force to provide you hiking update. There were 12 of us in total, 10 from Dewark Force and 2 from Dewark Services.
Namaste, I'm Rama Bhujan. I'm working at Dewark Force as a manager. This is our first hiking.
Hi, I'm Pema Sherpa from Dewark Food family. I'm assistant manager for service department.
My name is Vinod Baral. I am food production department assistant manager.
This is Umesh Mokhtan.
Now I'm hiking in Nagarkot. I enjoy this hiking.
My name is Lakshman Tamar.
My name is Urmila Subedi. My name is Kamala Subedi. My name is Isuri Tamang.
This is Ramesh Keshi.
Very happy. Hi, I'm Mohan Thapa, Dewark Food ex-manager. I'm very enjoy this today hiking. I'm very glad with my team and my senior.
This is Pramod Kumar Rai. This is Kapil Pandey. We started our hike from Saankhu. The road was muddy. The rain was off and on, but we were together and very excited about our first hike from Dewark Food. One of the best part of the hike was visiting the Nagarkot Tower.
हामी अब हैन अन्तिम भिजन नगरकोटको टावर मुभ गरिरहेका छौँ।
यो टावरमा कसरी चढेर जाने?
मोक्तान सर मुभ हाम्रो मोक्तान सर
Many climbed the tower like monkeys and everyone enjoyed. The view of Kathmandu and surrounding hills was fantastic.
हाम्रो म्यानेजर साहब राम बहादुर भुजेल अहिले रिजन ब्याक आइरहनु भएको छ।
अलि बुढा रियली बुढा रियली बुढा रहेछ कस्तो पर्छ रियली बुढा मलाई जिन्दगीमा आज जहाँ पुर्यायो
यसमा त त्यति पनि आउँछ।
केको माया लाउँछु र जानीले मायामा गोरी जालैमा।
So as you can see, we hiked, we climbed, we danced, we sang, and we had lots of fun. I hope you also enjoyed our video. Thank you so much.